So for number 11, it says the authors most likely use the examples in lines 1 through 9 of the passage to highlight the blank. So whenever you have this to do something, like to highlight, to show, to emphasize, this signifies to us that this is a purpose question. For purpose questions, these are why questions. So it's not exactly what he's saying, but it's asking why he's saying that. So for this, we need to understand the main idea. And you want to also put yourself in the shoes of the author. So you want to be the author. So why would you write these examples? It's probably to prove your point. So you need to understand what his point is. So be the author. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the passage and see if we can get a feel for what the main idea is here. It says, every day millions of shoppers hit the stores in full force, both online and on foot, searching frantically for the perfect gift. Last year, Americans spent over $30 billion at retail stores in the month of December alone. Aside from purchasing holiday gifts, most people regularly buy presents for other occasions throughout the year, including weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, and baby showers. That's where that ends for the question, but let's go ahead and keep on reading. So it says, this frequent experience of gift giving can engender ambivalent feelings in gift givers. Many relish the opportunity to buy presents because gift giving offers a powerful means to build stronger bonds with one's closest peers. At the same time, many dread the thought of buying gifts. They worry that their purchases will disappoint rather than delight the intended recipients. So the main idea here is really how frequent people are shopping. Again, this is an introduction. Notice that this is the first paragraph, right? So this is an introduction. So he's setting the stage for his argument. If you look at the italicized portion, it says, money can't buy love, asymmetric beliefs about gift price and feelings of appreciation. So just by the title alone, we know his argument is something about gift giving. Gifts do not equal love. So if you buy a higher price gift, it doesn't really signify anything. If you keep on reading the passage, that's what you'll come to understand. So let's go and look at the question one more time. Letter choice A says regularity with which people shop for gifts. So that sounds about right because we said that he's highlighting the frequency. He's saying how much it is. He's highlighting all the different avenues that people shop through and all these different occasions. So he's kind of highlighting the frequency here. So A looks right, but let's go ahead and check some of the other answer choices just to make sure. So letter choice B, recent increase in amount of money spent on gifts. That might be true, but again, there's nothing here that tells us that there's a change. It only tells us what it was currently or the last year, right? It doesn't tell us how much it was before, so you have nothing to compare it to. For letter C, it says anxiety gift shopping causes consumers. So that's partially true because it says many dread the thought of buying gifts. However, it also says some people relish the opportunity. So we can't say that it causes anxiety for everyone. And that is not the main point here. D, number of special occasions involving gift giving. Again, that sounds right, but this is more of a what answer. Again, purpose questions, we're looking for the why. We're not asking what they're saying. Yeah, he said there were all these occasions, but again, we're asking why did he say it? It's to highlight the regularity to set up his argument. So we're going to go with A, and that will be our answer. So letter choice A.